I will make this meeting brief so that every one of you can go back to whatever you are doing before I called you.
Sorry, Dad. Sorry.
After much consultation on my health, I decided to take a break because of my health. And I've concluded to hand the running business of the family.
Sorry.
I've decided to hand the business to Avina.
Thank you, Dad. I'm so proud. Thank you so much.
No, Maka, why now? No, why will you make such decision?
Will you shut your mouth?
No,
Your dad is still talking.
Mommy, biko, hold it. Please don't shut me up. Let me talk. Why will you make such a decision now? Am I a stick? Am I a spoon? Am I not a daughter? Why will you give her your business? Me, what will I be doing? I don't like it though, please. Rethink and say something nice. I don't like it though. What kind of nonsense decision is that?
Elizabeth, I hate being interrupted when I'm saying something serious. Now, sit down.
I'm asking a question now.
I said sit down or I'll force you to do that.
No. You have to say something else. Why will you give her the business? And share it 50-50 now. If you want to share with your daughters, which one is you are giving it to Avina? Please. Anyway, let me just sit down first and hear what you have to say.
That's what a well-mannered child should do. Not interrupting your father.
And you already know that I'm not well-mannered. At all. Me, I get grace for head. You already know. I know what's up, what I can do here. But go on. Go on with your talk. Let's see how it ends.
What's your problem? Are you stupid?
You know my problem. See, Una know my problem. My problem is you people. You people are my problem. You people are doing pasha in this family. You people are my problem. What is this one now? Ask me what's my problem. You people are my problem. You know my problem. You see you. You especially, you are my problem in this house. Every time they'll be supporting you, they'll be doing everything. You people are wicked. You like her more than you like me. That's why you want to give her everything. To inherit everything. Me, I'll be left with nothing. But let me tell you something, eh? You see your plans, it will not work. It will not work. You see you think you have arrived. You think you have won the battle. No. Let me tell you something. You see this book we're about to start reading now, eh? It has like 1,000 pages. We are still at the introductory part. We have not entered chapter 1. We have not entered chapter 2. By the time we go reach chapter 10, the body will tell you. Nonsense. You want to copy me. Everything I do, you want to do it. Everything I do, you want to copy. I want pink. You want your own pink. Jobs. I don't blame you people. See, I don't care whoever you want to handle your business. My own is that anybody that you are giving your business, we will share the thing 50-50. Anything that is coming out of it. 50 what? 50.
Elizabeth!
Oh! She walked out on me. Have you seen it?
It's okay, my darling. She's just a child.
I hate it when you say she's just a child. I married you when you were her age. It's okay.
I'll talk to her, don't worry. Sorry. You don't need to shout too much because of your health.
Please get me water.
Why was I not aware of what you just did?
Reason best known to me.
May I know why?
No.
You see, that's my problem with you. You always take crucial decisions without involving me. It's not fair.
I did it for the best interest of the family.
I'm not against your decision. But when next you want to make such a decision, pre-inform me. Let's talk about it. Let's discuss it.
You see see you. You see you. I don't know what you are planning in this house. I don't know your plans in this house.
And what do you think I'm planning?
What do you think I'm planning? Why are you asking that stupid question? Am I the one asking that question? What do you think I'm planning? You want to take what rightfully belongs to me. But let me tell you something, it's not going to work.
Elisa, what's your problem?
What? Don't ask me that nonsense question again. No. What's my problem? You will not achieve that your aim in this house. Trust me. You will not achieve it.
What else?
Come back, I'm not done. I'm talking to you and we want to work out. Is it because I'm giving you to CEO? Eh? You cannot calm down. I'm talking to you, you want to work out. Are you okay? I'm talking to you now. Am I a dog? Am I barking? I'm talking to you. I'm a woman being. Hello? I'm talking to you.
Whatever.
Illegitimate child. You can now go.
Wait, you just called me an illegitimate?
Yes! I called you an illegitimate child because that is who you are. Yes. So will you beat me? You are an illegitimate child. Who is your father? Tell us who you are. One day. I am dark. Mama is dark. Papa dark. You what? Where you carry this your fake color come from? Where you carry your fake color? Where did you get this your color from? Go and look for your father and leave this family alone on one day. So,
Well, the decision has been taken. Everybody have to key into it.
I don't have a problem with your decision. But when next you want to make such decision, pre-inform me.
Yes, Your Royal Majesty.
Mom! Again, what is it? She just called me an illegitimate child.
I don't understand.
She just called me an illegitimate child.
Where is she?
Mom, you have not answered my question.
But I clearly do not understand what Elizabeth meant. So I need to go to her so she will explain to me. Elizabeth!
An illegitimate child.
Just try to take everything easy because your father's decision is final. You must find a way to align with him.
why?
Because the business in question belonged to your dad. He single-handedly built that business to what it is today. So he has every right to appoint anyone as overseer.
You know you're right. But the person in question is not my sister. She's an illegitimate child.
Why must you say that?
Why must I not say it? She is not my sister.
You are making a wrong accusation against your sister, and your father will not be happy about this.
Well, she's not my sister. I'm happy I even know about it. You take a closer look at it. Do I in any way look like her? Do we have any resemblance? No. So how is she my sister?
Where your father has already appointed her as overseer of the business, and there's nothing you can do about it.
I have a lot of things to do about it.
Mention one. Tell me one.
You like, no, me.
I want to know. Tell me. I want to know.
Me, I'll make her uncomfortable. 1. 2, I'll make sure that I fight her. I will fight her till I die.
So what would you gain from it?
I don't know anything.
Anything?
Anything.
All right, no problem. Let's keep on moving. Let's go.
Since I'm getting more annoyed working with you. I'm getting more annoyed. I'm getting more peace because they're not reasoning with me.
Because you don't want to listen to the truth.
Sorry, Dad.
I know it came to you as a surprise. I mean, the announcement.
Yes, Dad. It has been my dream to control such a business empire.
That means your dream has come true.
Yes, Dad.
Can you control it?
Yes, Dad. I can handle it, but you have to put me through.
Sure, why not? I will do that. Go through all these files. Then get back to me.
Okay, Dad.
You can sit there.
Okay.
Calvin,
Madam.
open the gates.
Madam, not me okay. Not me okay. Na baby madam na carry key put for pocket. She lock the gate, put am for pocket. I don't know why.
What nonsense?
I was thinking that they already told you I'm the king. You should just come and talk to me direct.
I'm talking to you direct. Lizzie, where is the key?
So yesterday we were talking about something, but you were pretending like you were busy. So now we've not settled that case, and I want to bring it up today.
We have nothing to settle. Lizzie, where is the key?
Me, where's the key? So me when they talk now, I'm a mad person now. I know.
You are mad. You are mad.
Me, I'm mad.
Yes.
Ngwanu, come and leave this compound. You're not going to leave this compound or to settle what you said.
Give me the key.
Come and take it. Come and take it. If you leave this compound without settling that matter, you know my name is not Lizzie. Try it.
I will do it.
You cannot do anything.
Dad!
You cannot do anything.
Dad!
You can't do anything. You just shout and shout and shout like tiger generator. Nothing. You won't do shit. Now.
Yes, like I said, she's trying. At least for the moment. Yes. And
Dad!
like I said.
Dad!
Okay, just give me 5 minutes. Let me get back to you. Avina, you've not gone to work.
Dad, Eliza locked the gate and took the key.
Why?
It's better you ask her yourself.
Where is she?
She's outside.
Let's go.
Elizabeth, what is your problem? Why do you keep constituting nuisance here and there? I'm talking to you, you're still pressing your phone. Are you okay? What is your problem?
Well, you and Daddy are my problem.
What?
Yes. Both of you connive with that.
Will you shut your mouth? How dare you call your sister, your blood sister, an illegitimate child? In my presence? Are you mad? Will you never give you?
Elizabeth, can I have the key?
So you went to call your police. He's your police, right?
Don't let me repeat myself. Let me have the key.
Me, I don't like this thing, no. I don't like this thing. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Ngwa.
Elizabeth, come and sit here. Fast. Elizabeth, what is wrong with you? Elizabeth! What is wrong with you?
Something is wrong with me.
Something is definitely wrong with you, because if you don't have any problem, you wouldn't have locked the gate. Now I ask, what is your problem?
I want to know why you gave the family business to her instead of me.
We have overcross that boundary. Yes, your question is dead on arrival.
Elizabeth, your father's decision on this is final. And I want you to respect that.
You have no choice but to do what Dad wants.
Fine. I will lay low on one condition.
Which is,
If she will always fund me whenever I'm in need of funds.
that is if what you're using the money for is reasonable. If not, she will not.
Case closed. I'll be in my room.
You see her? Avina.
Yes, Dad.
Come and take the key. You have a nice day.
You too. Dad, Mom.
I'm about to go.
Take care.
See you guys in the evening.
Have a nice day. Son.
What is it?
But Gary, I need funds.
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? I said, okay. Oh, I understand. I need money. Layman's understanding. I need money.
Money to do what?
No, did you just ask what I need money for? What do you need my money to do? Am I the one you are asking? Or do you have anybody in mind?
Of course, yes. I'm talking to you.
Wait, you look me finish like this. They ask me what I want to use money to you. You don't want? As per se, I never reached the age to handle money. I don't understand. They ask me what I want to use money to. Now I want to use and buy your casket. Make I take it bury you. Madam, answer me. They ask me what I want to use.
I can see you're not serious.
I'm talking to you, madam. I'm talking to you. I don't like the way you like making me talk too much. I'm talking to you. I'm packing nonsense. I'm talking to you. I need money. See, agreement is agreement, though. You better stick to your own part of the bargain because me, I'm not going to take it. There will be problem here.
What nonsense agreement? You are mad. I'm off.
You're off to where? You're off to where? You're off to where? You're off to where? I'm coming back for you, and this time around, you're going to regret this statement you just made.
Shishi, Kobo, you're not getting from me. No sense, girl.
Like I said, I've placed my daughter in charge of the company. So whatever you need, just relate with her. She'll take care of that. Yes. It's all right. All right, take care. My darling.
My husband. I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
And I need you to give me honest answer.
Go ahead.
Did you in any way tell Elizabeth about Alvina's true parentage?
No. And why would I do that?
Are you sure?
I am very sure. There are some things I can't discuss with Elizabeth. And Alvina's parentage is one of them.
This is becoming confusing.
Is there any problem?
Yes. Alvina reported to me that Elizabeth called her an illegitimate child.
What? When?
Days back. Sorry.
Thank you. And she didn't tell me about that.
I guess she didn't want to escalate the matter. Sorry.
Thank you.
I would have shown her shaking. I would have disfigured her face. I would have used my hand like this, my bare hand. I would tear her into pieces. I will kill her there and nobody will question me. Nobody will even know that something happened there.
See, everything is not all about violence. Eh? Sometimes you apply it in peaceful approach.
My brother, Alvin, when me I know, she don't like peace. I swear. The only language she understands like this is violent, war, violent, fight, and me, I am ready to give it to her back to back. Back to back, anyhow she likes it.
Your father would be disappointed to hear you fought your only sister.
Do I look like I care? My brother, I don't care. I don't sell my heart. I don't care.
You better care. Eh? Don't put your family in the news for a wrong reason.
That is exactly what my father wants. And I'm glad we're headed towards that direction. Yes, I'm glad he's doing all these things I'm doing with my full chest. I am happy doing it.
Lizzie, I will advise you to calm down. Eh? Allow things to flow the normal way.
Me calm down. If I calm down, make I bend. If I calm down, I not go walk out. My papa die. I calm down. I swear to God, I cannot calm down. You will not understand now. You will not understand. My father, he's looking down on me. He's looking down on me, and that is why I want to prove a point. Now, me, I will do it I like, oh. I want to prove a point, and by that proving point, I will have to show them shaking. I want to do something that will make them, if they see me like this, they will reject. They will shake.
Okay, the shaggy that you want to show them, I hope it will come in a good way.
I don't know. Maybe by the time I'm done showing them the shaggy, you will not come and checkmate if the shaggy is the good one or the bad one. But what I know is that I'm showing everybody shaggy.
Okay.
I'm showing everybody shaggy. You cannot look that on me and go scot-free. You cannot look that on me. You cannot treat me anyhow and expect me to keep quiet. No, my brother, we'll dig it out.
Lizzie, I've done everything to calm you down, but you don't want to listen to me, so I will have to go.
It's only me and Alvin that knows why we're fighting. She knows why I'm fighting her, and she knows the exact thing I need from her. Nobody will stop me. Nobody will stop my shine. Nobody. They don't pour you well.
Lizzie. Elizabeth. Elizabeth. I've been knocking and you are not there.
Yeah, I went to the veranda to take fresh air.
Okay. Follow me. I want to talk to you.
Is there any problem?
I say come with me. When we get there, you'll know if there is problem or not. Let's go.
If anything come on.
Where are you? Sit down.
I don't understand.
I said sit down! What is wrong with you? Why did you call Avina illegitimate child?
Because that's who she is.
Says who?
Says me. Check her. She resembles anyone for this house. You dark. Me I dark. Mama dark. So how come she fair? Tell me now. How is she your daughter? How is she your biological daughter?
Elizabeth, who has been feeding you with lies? Who have you been talking with?
I'm not talking with anybody. I'm talking with myself. Nobody. Only me. And you don't even have to know how I got this information. Yes.
For your information, Avina is your sister. Her mother carried her in her womb for 9 months. And I put her in your mother's womb. So, don't call her illegitimate child next time. Do you hear me? What did you say? What did you just say?
I was not talking to you. You must hear everything. I was not talking to you. I was talking to myself. If anything you are doing, just make it 50-50. I don't care. Anyhow you want to do it, but make sure it's 50-50. But me, I know they like all this nonsense insult when they give person for this house. Carry see you don't call me tell me what I go tell her.
When you keep your promise.
Mommy, do you see Eliza? I saw her a while ago coming out from your room.
Hi, that means she's the one that took my money.
Your money?
Yes.
Your money is missing?
Yes.
Hey! How much?
$800.
What?
Yes.
But are you sure she's the one that took
Mommy,
it?
what I'm going to do to that
Okay,
girl?
so calm
If
down.
I don't see that money today, what I'm going to do to that girl?
Calm down. Calm down.
Mommy, wait, I'm coming first.
Hey! Elizabeth, why has she chosen to be a pin in the neck of everybody in this house? Hey!
If you ever call your sister illegitimate child again, you will have me to contend with. How dare you?
Eliza, where is my money you took from my room?
Okay, Dad, I'll see what I'll do about that.
You're not going anywhere to give me my money. You're not mad. Give me my money.
What money are we talking about?
Dad, Eliza.
Hey! It's Lizzie, not Eliza, you lunatic.
How dare you talk to her like that? Don't you know she's your elder sister?
Daddy, leave her. Let her run her mouth like a rat that she is. Leave her. You're not going anywhere till you give me my money. You're not mad. Well,
you are so dumb. Well, I have your money with me. What can you do about it? Look at it.
Elizabeth! When did you start stealing?
I didn't steal the money.
Then what did you do?
I asked her for funds. She kept on delaying me. So I had to do what I did.
How much is it?
Just $800.
Avina,
Dad.
let her go. I'll give you the money.
Simple. So what is the need of this your ranting and ranting? Thank you. The best daddy in the world. Come on, get out. I want it.
Let her be. Come here. Sorry. It's okay.
When you keep your promise and I keep mine.
Just let her be.
This world
You know, go.
will be a better place for us. But some we make promise and
Madam, honestly, I don't know how you're going to take this, but it's the gospel truth.
Doctor, you're speaking in parable. Please go straight to the point.
Alvina is my daughter.
What did you just say?
You heard me right, and I want to take her home.
Doctor, if not that I've known you for long, and I know that you're the type that does not smoke or drink, I would have concluded that you took something before coming to meet me.
And thank God that you know that I am not under any influence of anything.
Then, you just started taking something.
Well, that's your opinion.
Doctor, you're asking for the impossible. Alvina is also my daughter, and nobody is taking her away.
I never said Alvina is not your daughter. I just want her to come and live with me.
Never. That is not going to happen.
Then you leave me with no choice than to blow all of this out of proportion.
You wouldn't dare.
You see, let me tell you. You see, this girl, she's so precious to me. And I want you to know that I am ready to go to any length to do anything for her. Oh, yes.
Like I said before, you are asking for the impossible. Nobody is taking my daughter away. Never. It will never happen.
All right, then. Let's see how it goes. But let me warn you. My next visit, I won't be this nice. You hear what I said? I will not be this nice when I visit you again. Have a wonderful day.
You know, no wonderful day.
Get out of my way.
Come and push me. If you have the mind to kill your own sister, then push me. Push me! You're not leaving this house until you send the money I requested.
And if I don't, what are you going to do?
You don't have the right to dare not even think about not sending it.
And how much is the money you're talking about?
2 million.
What?
For the start. From 2 million, you're going to increase it to 2.5. From 2.5, 3 million. In every 6 months, you will keep increasing it.
You are mad.
You two, you are mad.
You are very stupid.
You are stupid.
You are crazy.
You are crazy.
You to working at 2031.
Meaning what?
You are stupid.
Yeah, you two, you are stupid.
What was the kind of
You cannot do anything. Come and hit me.
What is going on here?
Push me. Push me. Try.
What
You
is
cannot
going?
do it.
What is the problem? What is going on here?
Nonsense.
What is all this? Alvina?
Yes, Dad.
What is it?
She blocked my way.
Elizabeth, why do you block her way?
Because I asked her to send me money, but she refused.
Alvina.
Yes, Dad.
Haven't I asked you to send her monthly allowance?
The money she's requesting is too much. 2 million naira.
But she has just made her demand. It's left for you to negotiate and tell her how much you're going to give to her.
All right, Dad. I will look into it.
Madam, if you're looking into anything, if you're thinking of anything or making plans for anything, please be fast with it because I don't have time. I don't have time. DM me.
Get out. Get out!
Elizabeth.
Will you
Elizabeth.
beat me?
Elizabeth.
I don't understand.
Elizabeth. Lead the way.
Let me know what's for you. This is out.
Come, Seba boy, so.
You will not go to work today if I start. You will not go to work if I start.
Nonsense.
Leave this place fast. Kata. Nonsense CEO. You cannot beat me higher still. You just shout.
Elizabeth. Elizabeth. What is wrong with this? These children will not come in this house. Kadiri will defeat the Ifa.
So, what exactly did she do?
Choose. She stole my money.
What?
Yes.
How is that possible?
You can even ask her yourself.
Oh my God. So, when did she start stealing?
For days now, she has been causing nuisance. She even took my $800.
Oh my God. This is serious. So sorry about that.
I don't even know how you cope with her as your friend.
And she does not misbehave anytime we're together. So sorry.
So Julius,
Yes.
I invited you here to help me talk to her.
It's okay. I will try by all means to see her by the weekend. Okay?
Okay.
And I will get back to you.
Thank you so much, please.
Alright. You're welcome.
See you.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, I'll be on my way now.
Okay.
Alright, thank you so much.
Okay, choose.
Stop frustrating me, my dear sister. Stop fighting.
Sweetheart.
My husband.
I've been watching you closely since morning. I hope all is well. Is there anything a problem?
Everything is fine, my husband.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure, my darling.
I notice kind of coldness in you since morning.
I have a lot on my mind. But it's nothing to bother you about. I can handle it.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Okay. Don't hesitate to let me know if there's anything. Okay?
Okay, my darling husband.
I will be in my room.
Okay.
All right.
Yes. 6. 7. Hold on. Let me check it.
You be trouble where there for this roof. Trouble. Lizzie, 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 Lizzie.
The 2 million I asked you to send to me. How far? Madam, I'm talking to you. Where's the 2 million naira I say you should be paying to my account every month?
I don't understand. Can't you see I'm busy?
You are busy. I'm busy too. Even our pallet. Daddy said you should be sending the money to me. So what's going on? What happened?
Well, I'll be crediting you 250 every month.
You must be joking. They play. My sister, today no be Children's Day. So I know even they play with you. I know they play that kind of play with you. Do you hear me? 250 no go do me. On a normal self, you gonna say, if you look at me, you know that I can even spend 2,000 in a week. Not to talk of 1 month. Please respect yourself, but don't give one. So now trying to make me spend that money for a month is not even possible. So you have to put that 2 million or nothing. Or what?
That's the least I can do. I'm not adding a dime to it.
You're not adding a dime. You know, the thing where they pay me, say, the thing where they pay me for this thing, say, this money where you they drag like this money where you they do stingy, aka gum. This money now our papa get more. I don't know why you they do aka gum for person money. What did they sup? This money is not your money, oh. This money you are talking about is not your money. What in me and no be say you go send me that 2 million? If not, You two no go rest for this house, and you know, see if I talk, I go do am.
You're disturbing my ears. As you can see, I'm walking.
What are you doing? Eh?
Maybe
what are you doing that you cannot attend to your sister? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Change.
Trouble where there for this roof.
Come on, walk. Let me see.
Lizzie.
Baby, what is it?
At this point, I think I need to open up to you. So we'll tackle this matter together.
Okay, I'm all ears.
I met with the doctor today.
Which of the doctors?
Dr. Maurice.
Dr. Maurice. What did he say?
He said Alvina is his daughter.
He must be out of his mind. Now, what does he want?
I didn't allow him finish up because I knew he was talking absolute nonsense.
He must be out of his mind. Is that why you're worried?
Shouldn't I be worried?
Please, he's talking trash. Let's say something else.
Dad,
Yeah.
I've approved the sum of 250k for Eliza.
Oh, for her monthly allowance.
Yes.
Okay. That's a noble thing to do. What was her reaction?
That she rejected the money.
Why would she reject the money?
She said the money is too small for her.
Well, I think the 250k is okay for her. I stand with you on this. Okay?
Okay, Dad.
Good.
Daddy, it's like you're still watching television.
Yes, I'll soon go to bed. You want to go to bed?
Yeah, my eyes is turning me.
All right. Good night, my darling. Sweet dream, my darling.
Love you.
Love you too.
When you keep your promise and I keep mine, this world will be a better place for us. But some we make promise and refuse to fulfill it. This life is 50-50, oh. Life is 50-50. Everything about life, oh. Now 50-50. The measure you give is the measure you receive. The measure you give is the measure you receive. Now 50-50, oh. Life now 50-50. Everything about life, oh. Now 50-50. The measure you give, the measure you give is the measure you receive.
I waited for the credit alert today. I didn't see it.
That's because you don't want to accept the money I agreed to pay you.
You and I know that I can never accept that 250,000 naira, Alvina.
You're not serious.
I'm not serious.
Yes.
Alvina, I am not serious, right?
Yes. Yes.
I'm talking to you. Where do you think you're going to?
Are you blocking me?
Yes, I'm blocking you, Alvina.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Wait, let me tell you. I'll forget that I'm coming back from work and I will deal with it.
Alvina, I get men. If I just put one call like this, they will gather here and beat you blue-black. Blood go full here.
Are you talking to me?
Yes! Alvina, I know what I'm telling you this.
Are you talking to me?
Alvina!
Are you talking?
Alvina!
Are you talking to me?
Alvina, I'm telling you.
Are you talking to me?
Alvina!
What man begin go do?
Doctor.
Yes, Chief.
My wife said you've been asking for something. And I asked her to invite you over so I could hear from you one-on-one. What could that be?
Well, Chief, what I'm asking for is so simple. And if I'm able to have it, I promise to walk away and you will never see me again.
And what that mean?
Chief, Alvina is my daughter and I want to take her home.
How is Avina your daughter?
The sperm that was used to fertilize your wife's egg, it's mine.
How come I'm hearing this for the first time? Does it mean you slept with my wife?
No. Hell no, Chief.
So, what could be the problem?
Like I said earlier, the sperm that was used for your wife's IVF, it's mine.
But even at that, you were paid for the process.
You didn't pay for no shit, Chief. You didn't pay for no jack. No.
Good day, doctor.
Good day. You're welcome. Have a seat.
Thank you.
So how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Doctor, you requested to see me.
Oh, yes, I did. I have a donor for you.
Thank God. Okay, so how much is he requesting for?
He's going to do it for free of charge.
For free? Why is it free when we have the money to pay?
Listen, the most important thing right now is for us to get on the process. I know money is not a problem. Maybe when we're done with the process, you can appreciate him.
Doctor, I'm not just comfortable with free things. But it's okay. So what next?
What next now is just for us to get on the process. Mr. Omega. You're welcome.
Thank you.
But madam, why stress the man? I thought you were going to come alone.
Doctor, he insisted on coming with me.
Yes.
That's fine. I hope both of you have decided on the sex of this child.
Yes.
Yes. Which is?
Baby girl.
Baby girl. That's fine. So, we'll have to get into the lab now and get the process started.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Menka, we'll be right back.
All right, baby.
All right.
No problem.
Wow. Here we go. We'll be right back, okay? All right, let's go.
Honey, are you okay?
Yeah. She's okay. She's fine.
Doctor, how did it go?
It was successful.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank God.
Yes.
Honey, are you okay?
Yes.
So, Mr. Omenka,
Doctor,
very soon you're going to become a father.
I can't wait. We can't wait to become parents.
Yes.
It's going to happen pretty soon.
Amen. Doctor, I think by now we should be signing kind of documents.
That won't be necessary now. Because everything that is happening here is happening with all of our consent.
Are you sure?
You don't have any reason to be worried of anything. Oh, yes?
And no any interior motive?
Coming from where? Not at all.
It's all right.
Not at all. Not at all. Not at all.
Honey?
Yes.
I think we should be on our way now.
No, baby, I want to rest a little.
Oh, okay. You need water?
No.
She's going to be okay.
Okay.
Chief, doctor, I was a free donor. There was no document signed.
That means you played my wife and I.
Not really.
That is exactly what you did.
Oh, yes.
And you knew a day like this would come. And you patiently waited for it.
Well, if you say so, that should be your problem and not mine. I'm here to take Alvina back home.
No one will take my Alvina from me.
Ma'am.
Alvina is my daughter, not you. No one else will take her away from me.
Chief, I think a DNA test would settle all of this. Yes.
Leave my house. I said leave my house!
Chief, I will leave. But I would want to advise you. Yes, I want to advise you to save yourself the embarrassment and the heartbreak that will come from the test of the DNA result. Which will prove that I am the biological father of Alvina. I will leave.
My house.
It's not going to end here.
Get out!
I'm getting out.
Get
but
out.
I'll be back. You will hear from me.
Bad man!
Look at her.
Homebreaker!
Don't worry.
You this swine. Useless idiot. Nincompoops.
My husband is okay.
Chose.
Yes.
The last day you came here, I asked you to talk to Elizabeth for me.
Yes.
But it's obvious you didn't talk to her. Why?
I have been busy with work. I intend to see her this weekend.
Weekend is too far. You need to see her today. Today.
Did she do something wrong?
Elizabeth is always in a bad news.
What?
Yes. Okay. She even asked me for 2 million naira. Okay. I accepted to give her 250k for monthly allowance.
Okay.
She refused.
Okay, it is okay. I will talk to her and get back to you.
It's your choice.
Alright, thank you so much. Okay.
Take care.
Alright, thank you. Okay.
Every time this. I look the year word.
What is wrong with you? What has come over you?
I don't understand why you dey para for me.
Why I no go para for you? Eh? Why I no go para for you?
Hey, why you no go why you dey ask me why you no go para if my mama, if my papa, if my boyfriend, if my husband, which one you be?
So must I be your mama or your boyfriend before I no go para for you?
I know they shout for me if I go inside now. Wetin be your own? Okay, what did I do? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting at me?
Okay, you want to know what you did wrong? Okay. Why did you steal money from your elder sister? Going around causing nuisance everywhere.
Me?
Yes.
Did I tell you I stole her money? No, who told you that I stole her money? I didn't steal her money.
The money you took from her bag, is this yours?
Money I took from her bag. Who told you I stole her money? Who told you I took money from her bag?
See, none of my business with her. See.
I only funded myself with the money I saw in her bag, not like I stole it. I just used it to,
See, none of my business with her. If you want this, our friendship to continue, you have to behave like a good girl. A good girl, a responsible girl from a good family.
That's for a friendship.
Hey.
Which one is I have to be like it? Am I not a good girl?
Are you being serious right
No,
now?
am I not a good girl? Am I a bad girl? I don't understand. You know that you just insulted me now.
How did I insult you?
He just called me a bad girl.
I did not call you a bad
No,
girl. I'm
you
trying to
called
let
me
you
a
know
bad-
what you
no,
did
no,
was
don't
wrong.
tell me that. You called me a bad girl. You cannot tell me that if I want to this friendship that I should be a good girl. That means I'm not a good girl now. That means you don't see me as a good girl. You are seeing me as a bad girl, as a stupid and foolish girl now. But it's good, it's okay. You that is good boy. I'm gonna keep it up with the work. You are doing well.
Okay, calm down. I'm only trying to let you understand what you did was wrong. Why would you steal money from your elder sister?
I'm saying I did not steal the money. I did not steal it.
So she's lying now.
Nobody is lying. She's not lying. Me, I'm not lying.
This is why everyday trouble.
Doctor,
Yeah?
please. I'm begging you with everything you hold dear to your heart. I do not want that DNA test to hold.
Why?
Alvina is your daughter, yes, but she has lived with us all these years, and she sees my husband as her father,
And she has been saying the wrong man as her father. Now that I'm here, it's time she starts seeing me as her real biological father. Oh, yes.
So what becomes of my husband?
Do I look like I care? I do not care.
Doctor, 100 million naira and you walk away.
Did you just insult me by offering me 100 million naira to walk away and leave my child?
400 million.
If you like, offer me 1 billion naira. I am not going nowhere without having my daughter. Okay?
Why are you doing this? Why do you want to ruin my home?
The reason I'm doing this is so obvious. So there's no need you asking me all of these stupid questions. Oh, yes.
Why is he doing this? Why is he doing this? Why?
Who are you? I didn't make any promise to anyone. Deity?
Yeah. And you must go.
I don't know what you are talking about. I did not make any promise to anyone. Who are you? Who are you? What is it? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
My love. What is it? Why are you screaming?
It's nothing. Just a nightmare.
It's okay. Hey, what's the dream all about?
It's nothing to worry about.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You can tell me. Let's talk about it. Let's know if we'll pray about it.
Don't worry yourself. I'll be fine.
Okay.
Let's pray.
Okay.
Let's pray.
Please come and take your breakfast.
What's that?
Tea and bread.
Tea and bread. For what? And 2 slices. Why? Why? I'm asking you why. Because I can't remember asking you to make this for me. I mean, I want main food. I want good food. Reasonable food, not this. Am I not talking to you?
And that is why it's called breakfast.
I don't have the time to make a mix. I don't understand. The kitchen door is locked. Why?
Well, I'm in charge of kitchen this week.
Meaning what? Who assigned you to that? Eh? I don't understand now. Who assigned you? Who told you? Who told you that you are in charge of the kitchen this week?
If you are done ranting, you take your tea.
See, I don't get time. Oh. See, madam, no make me vex today. Oh. No make my day start with anger because you no go like am. You dey hear me so? You no go like am. Enjoy your food. I'm talking to you.
Lizzie, what do you just do?
You want to do something? Oh, it's like you don't like the color of your clothes today. You want to stay at home with me today, right? Try any nonsense if I will not change this color of your clothes. Try any nonsense. Nonsense. Just if I will not pour this on you. You're lucky just splash on this small place.
You will not eat anything today. Because of you, I'm not going to work
You will
today.
seize my bag.
Because of you, I'm not going to work
I will
today.
order food.
You are
Get
mad.
out.
You are mad.
Get out of here.
Hey, God. What type of sister is this one? See my clothes.
You be wahala way there for this house. You be trouble way there for this house.
Can you tell me what the dream was all about?
I don't want to talk about it.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Alright. I've been thinking about the doctor.
What about him?
I think we should take him out of the way.
How do you mean?
I spoke to you in clear terms, my darling husband. He wants to ruin our happiness, and we must not allow him do that.
Killing him is not the best option for now.
I feel that's the only way to shut him up forever.
He spoke about the DNA test. I think we should wait for that.
To what end? We already know what the outcome of that test will be.
Till then, baby.
Okay.
I'm enjoying this movie.
Enjoy now. Yeah, I don't like all those movies.
So I should change to what channel?
No, Zubby. African Magic.
Let me finish this first.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll watch now. Let me not disturb you.
They will use it against.
sorry. Sorry. Ndo.
See, being sorry is not enough. Turn to a new leaf. That is all I'm asking for.
The new leaf won't make a turn. Nah, Ugo leave.
Did you see yourself? Did you just see yourself?
No, oh yeah, sorry. It's a prank. Yeah, it's a prank. Don't worry, I will try.
Don't try, do it. Huh? Do it.
No, I will do it. I will change.
Okay, is that a promise?
Yes, I will change. So are you happy now?
Yeah, I'm happy now.
Don't get wild again.
Alright.
Well, make her go now. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Only say tomorrow you go see me the front face again. No?
Should I see you off?
No, listen. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Lizzie, everyday trouble.
Dad, I was not sleeping when the thing happened. It was real, Dad.
My daughter, don't take it to heart, okay? It was just a dream.
Okay, Dad, I hope you're not owing anybody, like business partners.
No, not at all. I'm not owing anyone.
Sorry, Dad. Okay, it's fine if you say so.
Yeah, I'm not owing anyone.
Fine. Let me go and freshen up.
It's alright. You're welcome.
Well, Chief, I waited to hear from you and your wife and you didn't say nothing. Chief, you know why I'm calling. You already know. On the contrary, Chief, you and I know that we'll have a lot to talk about. You feel there's nothing to talk about, Chief? Chief, then I will have to blow this out of proportion. And if that happens, remember, you're going to be at the losing end. Oh, yes. You already know what I want, Chief. Oh, yes. For clarity's sake, Chief, I will say this again. I would want us to carry out a DNA paternity test on Alvina to enable us to know who the real parent is. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, that's what I want. There we go then. Thank you, Chief. So when are we going to do this? All right. Thank you very much, Chief. Good.
For this DNA test to be carried out. And once it is confirmed that you this idiot, you are not my father's daughter, the rate at which I will vacate you out of this house, it will shock you. The way I go carry your matter from my head, it will shock you. Idiot. Mugu, you want CEO? They gave you CEO. You gladly accepted it. Mugu, one job CEO. You see, for this house, as long as I am concerned, everything will be 50-50. You buy hair, 50-50. Any dollar, 50-50. You buy clothes, 50-50. Anything you make, 50-50. That's my own. Simple. If you want job to CEO, chopper. You see that money, they make come together. Without nonsense. I will wait and laugh last, because he will laugh last, laugh best. That is that.
Calm down, no police. Take it easy, my dear. Life will not
Sweetheart.
Yes.
Do you think we should tell Alvina what is happening?
No.
No?
Yes. Why? That will devastate her. And it will slow down the level in which she's handling the family business.
But you know she's going to find out. And it won't be nice.
It's better she finds out when the DNA test is out.
What difference does it make?
Sweetheart, it might turn out to be that I'm her true biological father.
I know you're joking, right?
I am not joking.
You and I know that you are not Alvina's biological father.
Sweetheart, don't conclude yet. Until the DNA test comes out, we'll find out who is her true biological father.
Okay, so how do we get her samples for the DNA test?
Sweetheart, don't bother yourself. I'll do that when she'll be sleeping.
Oh.
Yes.
Seems you have figured everything out. Okay, oh. I rest my case.
Now, it has been proven that I am the real biological father of Avida. I would not want to see you here again. If I ever set my eyes on you again, you will rot in jail. Now leave my house!
Get out! Okay, shameless man, leave
my house!
Look
at him.
You see you. See you. I am so disappointed at you. So you have been lying to me all this while. Giving me fake hope. Why?
But it's not what you think. They came to me for IVF and I played the very first one on them, thinking it was my sperm that did the job.
So whose person's sperm did the job?
From the DNA test, it was your father's sperm that did the job.
Do you know yours?
Excuse you?
Excuse you, Oga, shut up, let me talk. Come on, shut up. And they play.
Hey!
Just look at him.
Thank God. This calls for celebration, my husband. Hey!
Sweetheart.
I will make us a delicious meal. So I will eat and jubilate.
No, it is how they play with you. It is how they laugh with you. Now play I call you, come play with you. What is worry you? Something where I don't already strategize. I don't already plan and draw my plan, target and say, now me go inherit everything when my father acquire. You can't already fuck up, they mad. Eh? So you have been lying all this while. You have been giving me fake news. Why did you even tell me that she's not my sister? When you know that you are not sure of everything.
Well, anyways, I'm sorry about that.
You should not be sorry about that. You should be sorry about yourself because what I'm going to do now, not go funny. You hear me so? You don't go funny. You don't go funny at all. I they play with you. You don't go funny. Evil man. You will come to Zeus out. Zeus out.
Like, how possible is this? Does it mean that Martin didn't carry out this DNA test properly or what?
I talk to you, they look outside, they talk, they mad. Eh? You want make a disgrace for you? No, you want make a disgrace for you? Okay, come on, get out. Get out from here before you go increase my anger. No vex me, no vex me. Come on, Zeus out.
Remove you for me. Yeah?
Let's talk. That's what they do.
I don't have your time.
That's what they do. Somebody will come down and call you for work, pay you for work, you come and fuck up. You cannot use your brain. You cannot use your simple brain. Idiot. I don't blame you. Me, I blame.
What is it? What do you want?
Go and fulfill your
What promise are you talking about?
You know what I am talking about.
I am not owing anybody anything. I am not going to anywhere to fulfill any promise. Leave me alone.
My husband.
Yes, my darling.
I heard you shouting at someone.
Oh.
Who is that?
Okay, I was on call.
You were on call.
Yes.
But your phone is right there on the bed.
I angrily threw it there.
You threw it there?
Yes.
Okay, but please take it easy on yourself. Because of your BP. You go. I need a pool.
Alright.
Let me go and continue with what I was doing.
It's alright.
Do you know your own?
What's all this? Go and fulfill your promise. Does it mean that thing I did in the village worked? I took it as a joke. I didn't even mean it. So what happened? How? Anyway, I'll find out. Babe? Sweetheart, why are you here? What is the problem?
Baby, our childlessness is killing me by the day.
Why are you worrying yourself? I told you cancel some time. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself over this. I am not worried.
I'm trying, but it's not working.
Try harder. Okay? Try harder.
I've become a subject of mockery among my friends. I can't even go out for functions.
Why are you saying all this? Has anybody called you barren?
Nobody has called me barren, but I know it won't take long before they will.
Then you don't need to worry yourself. God will give us children in His own time. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. You go. Sweetheart, you are not eating. What is it?
I don't have appetite for food.
Why?
Darling, I've been thinking.
About what?
Maybe you should take a second wife. Someone that will give you children. Because it's obvious I can't have my own children.
Says who? With or without children, I love you. I cherish you so much.
But people are talking.
Let them talk, for goodness sake. Let them talk. That's all they can do.
Okay, can I travel to another city? When I get pregnant, I'll come back.
How dare you think such? No, you can't do that, my darling. We're in together. Okay? Please. Maybe I should seek a doctor and for medical checkup. Yes.
Okay, no problem.
But before then, I have to travel to village to see my uncle.
When are you traveling?
Tomorrow. Maybe when I come back, we can see the doctor.
Okay.
Okay? Don't let that bother you, okay? Come on, eat. Honey, hold on. Just hold on. Hold on. Let me feed you.
I don't want to eat. I'm okay. I'll eat later.
Yeah, eat the meat.
Gods of our land, I come with just one request. And that request is, I need a cry of a baby in my house. I need a child. I need children. Whether male or female, I am fine with any of them. If you do this for me, I'll come back here once in a year to offer a sacrifice of cow to you. This is my request.
It is done. The ancestors have listened and answered your requests.
Thank you.
Yes. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Just that I can't imagine myself going to the shrine to pray.
Did you do any evil?
No.
You see, the white men gave us their culture and tradition, and we embrace it. Now we live our own to wallow down. Look, there is always something to learn when you come to the village.
I think I've learned something today.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, you can go back to the city. Meet your doctor and enjoy your wife.
Oh,
Yes.
Uncle, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you,
Yes.
thank you. I really appreciate it.
Good.
Thank you.
Good.
I think I have to...
Good. You are my blood. You are my blood.
Let me
Good.
start going before...
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you. Thank you.
So, I'm so sorry for keeping you guys waiting.
Oh, it's fine, it's fine.
So, what exactly do you want me to do for you?
Doctor, we want to try IVF.
IVF?
Yes.
Do you have a sperm donor?
No.
Would you mind me to get you one?
Yes,
Sure,
that's
of course.
fine by us, doctor.
So, when would you want it to be carried out?
As soon as possible.
Alright then. Before the week runs out, I will get back to you concerning the sperm donor.
Fine by you.
Alright.
Hmm?
Alright,
Yes,
no
it's
problems.
okay.
Okay. Alright, so. No problems.
Sweetheart. Ever since we came back from the hospital, you've not been yourself. What is it?
Maybe I'm not happy. I mean, why can't we have kids like other couple?
But we're about to do that.
Through an artificial means? With another man's sperm?
You know I suffer from infertility. And I accepted my fate.
That fate is what I do not want to accept. That means my child will not be your biological child.
But it will definitely be yours. And anything that belongs to me belongs to you. Vice versa. So you don't need to worry yourself.
Oh my God. This is not happening.
Sweetheart, don't worry yourself. We're going to have our children at the right time, okay? In fact, this is the right time. Don't worry yourself, okay? Please.
Okay.
Look at me. Come on, smile.
Okay, they talk to you, no be back dog the back. I'm talking to you. I want us to talk. What are you writing? Give you what pen? Give you what pen?
I will not repeat myself. Give me that pen.
I'm talking to you. What can you do? You are forming busybody. What can you do? I'm talking to you. Calm down. Now see what they give you. What they form with no. I want to talk to you.
You the mad?
You the mad too. You the mad. You the mad.
You take my book?
Yes, because I dey talk to you, they form busy person. What you want to go beat me, do your worst. I want to talk to you, they form seriousness. Not only you see
Jesus!
Not only you see for this life.
Stop! What is it?
Try am. Not only you see for this life.
Stop!
No try
I said stop!
You dey mad.
What is it? What is the problem? What is going on?
Let me deal with this.
Deal with who? If you try any nonsense, me I will show you my own grace. Not only you the grace. Not only you the grace.
Avina, what is the problem? I said stop!
Not only you the grace.
Elizabeth!
I want to talk to you. I still say you don't come. We will talk. I wanted to talk to her. She was forming busybody. Not only you the give see you. Not only you get see you for this time. Not only you.
You just want to kill me here. What is the problem?
See you, they gave you the other day. Don't they form her?
Daddy, sorry.
See, I want me to talk. I beg.
You guys will not kill me in this house. What is the problem?
I want to start up a business, and the business will worth 70 million naira to start it.
Dad, you don't have to mind this girl. She don't have anything to say.
Hey, you see you. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you.
Daddy, leave me alone. Let me deal with this girl. Leave me alone. Let me deal with
yourself. I'm not talking to you.
Avina.
I'm not talking to you.
Avina.
You too, you have lost it. You have lost it.
Avina.
You don't have manners. Because they gave you CEO, you don't have manners.
Elizabeth.
Look at your CEO.
Elizabeth.
She cannot comport herself.
Elizabeth.
Come on, self-discipline. I said I need 70 million to start up my own business. My own business.
Daddy, it's better you go where you're going. This girl does not have anything to say.
Says who?
Me.
Oh yeah, now. You will come and seize it from his pockets. I need the 70 million to start my own business. Since you don't want to give me your own business to handle, give me 70 million to start my own business. Simple.
Elizabeth, I am going to the village. When I come back, we can talk about this.
See, no, I'm not ready to wait for you. Just settle me now so that I'll know that I want to go to the village. Now I'm going to run my own business. Simple.
Dad, we are going to give her 2 million. If you manage it well, we can increase it.
Who is giving me 2 million?
I'm your elder sister. I'm talking to you.
God, that elder sister, why are you?
You the man.
My elder sister, my food.
You the man.
You are just tough or nothing. You are tall. You are not Iroko. Now tall you talk. You don't be Iroko tree. I better go and sit down. Go and sit down one place. The only tall you talk. Even the tall self. See, if I climb here, are the same. The elder sister not for mouth, not for height.
You don't have manners, you know. You don't have manners.
Hey, I don't have manners, you know.
I'm your elder sister. You're talking to me
elder
like
sister,
this.
na now for height, not be for mouth, not be for brain.
Enough.
Sister.
Enough.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Elizabeth,
See my other sister.
I've heard you. Go ahead and make your proposal. Yes.
Proposal?
Present your proposal. Yes, when I come back,
Me?
then we can look into it.
Proposal.
Yes, business proposal.
If I want my father to give me money, I will. Okay, that proposal before you give me 70 million.
Yes, that's what you're going to do. Because you don't have respect. Common respect you don't have. You don't have manner of speaking. You don't have manner of spoken. You don't have anything spoken. You are mad. You are mad. That proposal, you are not going to get it. Mad, you know mad. Short, you short. Anything you come, I go deal with you.
Avina.
Sir?
You're talking while I'm here.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
I am traveling. When I come back, we can discuss about it.
Daddy, leave me alone. Let me show this girl that I'm crazy too. I'm just keeping quiet because of you.
If you guys like, bring down this house. Set it ablaze.
She know the tire every day. Why? She know the tire. Lizzie, why? Every day trouble.
You sounded so panicked on the phone. I hope all is well.
Just that I'm kind of confused. I am worried.
Worried? Over what?
Uncle, you remember many years ago, I came down to the village and complained to you about some things, childlessness and all that. You remember, right?
Yes.
Now, you advised that we go to a place, shrine, you remember, and to offer some prayers, which we did. At the end of the day, the whole stuff, I went back to the city and met, in fact, me and my wife, at the end of the day, we did IVF and my wife took in. To my greatest surprise, after some time, doctor came to start claiming the ownership of the child. Then we went to several tests and all that. It was confirmed that I'm the true biological father of my daughter. So that is where the whole confusion is coming from. IVF said I am the owner of the child. The doctor is coming claiming the owner of the child.
Do you remember you made some vows and promises at the shrine of our forefathers?
Have you fulfilled them?
Have you fulfilled them?
No.
That's where your problem lies.
Wait. Uncle, that reminds me, I usually see a kind of shadow both in the dream and in reality coming to me asking for the promise I made in. Okay.
You promised you bring 1 cow every year as sacrifice to our forefathers. Please, you better go and fulfill them before they will strike.
Okay, now I see where those shadow voices and all that coming from. I now remember. I will do that next month.
Do that fast. Do that now. Now. Don't wait till next month. Do that now. Yes.
Okay.
Do that now.
Choose.
Yes?
Eliza is at it again. Oh.
What did she do?
Can you imagine? Eliza wants to do a business of 70 million naira.
What kind of business does she want to do with 70 million?
Who did I ask?
Don't worry, I will see her right away.
Please do. That's why I called you here to tell you this. Okay?
Alright.
I know. Take care.
Alright, thank you.
Did you tell me you were coming?
I learned that you want to start up a business. What for? Eh? I asked you a question and I need an answer.
Wow. So Alvin thinks she can control me through you, right? She told you.
Wait. What are you talking about?
What am I talking about?
Yes, she did.
So?
I want to know the kind of business that you want to use 70 millions for.
How is that your business? I want to start up a business, yes. And I should be the only one to tell her how much I need for it.
Oh.
Maybe later I will let you know.
Oh, so now we have started keeping secret from each other. Eh?
Okay, fine. I will tell you.
Okay, I am listening. Go ahead, I'm listening to you.
Actually, I don't have any business in mind. I just felt like Alvin spends too much. She likes spending money a lot. And I feel she will squander my daddy's money. That's why I want her to just give me my own share of the money. Nothing else.
You and I know very well that that girl cannot squander the family's money. You know that.
Then you don't know Alvin very well.
It's you that do not know Alvin. I know her. See, why can't you calm down? Why can't you take things easy? Why can't you make the life to be easy? Learn from that girl. She's a good girl. She's doing everything for the entire family. I bet you will call me tomorrow and tell me that she's a good girl. I've told you. I'm leaving now if I don't listen. I've told you.
My darling husband. Hey! 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 Hey!
What happened now? Where everybody they cry? Where did they go on?
He has left us! He has left us!
So you don't finally kill him? You don't kill him, Abi? You don't kill him, make you pack everything. You've killed him because you want to take everything yourself. You
Kill the one.
Kill the one. Why are you asking that nonsense?
How can I kill my father? Are you okay?
Has that not been your plan?
Mama want this girl.
That has always been your plan. You want to take over everything.
Mama want this girl.
You witch.
I go deal with you.
You want to kill me
I
too?
go deal with you.
You want to kill me too after killing my father?
Mind how you talk
You have
to me.
succeeded in killing
Mind how you talk to me.
You're crazy. What you going to do me?
Mind how you talk to me.
What will you do to
If
me?
you say it again, I will deal with
What
you.
will you do to me? You
If
are
you say
mad.
it again, I will deal with
You are mad. You
Say
killed
it
my
again.
father.
You are very, very stupid.
You killed my father.
You are very, very
You
stupid.
punish
How can I
you
kill my
then.
father?
Punish
You are
then.
very, very
Come
stupid.
down.
Say it
You're
again.
stupid.
Say it
You
again.
are mad.
Say it
You are
again.
mad. You are stupid. What will you do to me? You won't beat me. You won't beat me. Wait. You have killed him. You have killed him. Try it now. Try it. You are very stupid. You are mad. God will punish you there. God will punish you there. You're a witch. You're a witch. And you don't belong in this family. You don't belong in this family. Go back to your family. Go back to your home. You don't belong here. You don't belong here. Go back to your home. You don't belong here. You witch. Idiot. You don't belong here. You've succeeded with your plans, but it will not work for you. Witch. Idiot for bad day. You want to come and take over here. Meanwhile, you don't belong here. Go back to your home. Witch. You have killed my father. You have killed my father for me. Because you know that I am about to take over. You killed him because you know that he's going to give me everything now. Fool. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
Elizabeth, you called for this meeting. And as you can see, we are all seated. So talk.
Yes, I called for the meeting. First of all, let's thank God for the successful burial of our father, your husband. Then secondly, I want to share these properties. I don't want to use a seniority matter here. I don't want to put it here. So I want to share the property equal, 50-50. You see this house? This house is my own house. You see this car? This car is my own car. The other car is supposed to belong to you. I visit to send your father to his early grave. That house that Papa was building in GRA is my own. Nobody will go there. But not be missing. Allow me to talk.
You are mad.
Allow me to talk. Are you okay?
You are crazy. You don't have
It's
sense.
okay, it's okay.
I'm not done talking, no.
You are done talking because you don't know what to.
I'm not done talking. Can you just calm down and allow me to talk? I'm talking.
Mommy, this book.
Leave her,
I'm
let her
talking.
finish.
Can you just allow me to talk?
Elizabeth, you don't talk to your elder sister in this manner.
This is my elder sister. She called for it now, so I'm giving it to her anyhow she likes it. The company that they gave you can have it. I don't have any issue with that one. You can have it. But you see this house, the one at GRA, the car, this one in particular. Any guy you see there, you ask your God why you are still alive.
You are mad.
You are the one that is mad.
You are crazy.
I'm not the one that says you should kill him.
You don't have
It's
sense.
okay, it's okay, it's
You
okay.
kill him.
You don't.
It's okay, sit down.
Allow me talk.
Respect, Owele respect.
You call for it. Why did you respect Tagi?
If you talk again, I'm
I'm talking. Like I was saying, I was interrupted by the cockroach.
Who is the cockroach?
Are you mad?
The crazy.
I'm mad. I'm not gonna say you should go and keep Papa.
Your mad is no matter than my mad.
Come on, shut up.
Your mad
Look
is
at
no
you.
matter than my mad.
You are so dumb.
Then you is dumb.
You are-
If you talk to me again, you be
Do it.
Okay.
Do it. Do your worst. You cannot do anything. Do your worst, you fool. Are you the only person in this life? Are you the only person in this life? Are you the only
What
one?
let me deal with this?
Are you crazy? Mad?
It's okay.
You can touch it. Still young. Does it matter?
Hey,
Does it matter?
you shouldn't want to kill me.
Let me talk.
Hey, it's
Why
okay.
are you not
Keep
fair?
that shit.
Are you the only stupid person on earth?
Mommy, leave me alone.
Eh?
It's okay.
Me too, I get my own quiz for head. I'm only the mad. It's your look at it. A whole CEO. Look at what you are saying with your mouth. Look at what you are spelling out.
Your spelling and your spelling is not my spelling. Spell your spell. Let me spell my spell. You are crazy. You are crazy.
Get out.
I will deal with
Foolish.
you. Nonsense and incapacity.
If you like, rant. I've already called the family lawyer and he's coming soon to sign it.
Mommy, leave me alone. Let me do.
It's okay. Leave her.
Go and kill your destiny there.
Nonsense.
You're a fool. You're a big fool.
I'll deal with you. Hi,
It's
Mommy,
okay,
leave,
sit
Mommy,
down.
leave
It's
me
okay,
alone.
it's okay.
Mommy, leave me alone.
Sit down.
Mommy,
Sit down.
For this house, you be trouble waiting for this house. Lizzie, everyday trouble. She not the tire. Everyday why? She not the tire. Lizzie, why? Everyday trouble. She not the tire. Lizzie, everyday wahala. She not the tire.
I guess you're looking for this.
Yeah. Give it to me. I'm running late.
Unfortunately, it's no longer yours.
I don't understand. Give me the car keys. I'm late for work.
Okay, so that time when I talk say I don't share the family properties 50-50. It be like side a joke, Abi. You know, be reason and say I mean am, right? Sister, he's going. In fact, he's gone. This car is mine, like I said that day. That car is mine. This house is mine. So in a quarter of this house, you should have it in your mind that is one leg you're able to stand in this house, and one day I can wake up and decide to chase you out of this house. Do you get? So I believe that you can find your way to your office, your so-called office. Shit, the body. Oh. Hello.
You be wahala where there for this house.
I believe you have a lot to transport or book a car that will come pick you. Take you to work. For this car, you're not going to see it again. Listen, shift. Hello. You be wahala waiting for this wahala. You be trouble waiting for this trouble. Lizzy, everyday trouble. She not tired. Everyday she not tired.
Your father will be very disappointed at your attitude, wherever he is. I know you're troublesome. I know you're difficult. But at least try and mellow down now that your dad is no more.
On the contrary, Mom, Dad will be so proud of me wherever he is.
So proud of what? So proud of your arrogance? So proud of your troublesomeness? Your father was a peace lover, but you are the complete opposite. You're troublesome, you're arrogant.
Oh.
What is your problem?
Wait, so you are calling me a troublemaker? Just because I am asking for what rightfully belongs to me?
You're not asking it in the right way.
Really?
Yes. If I were you, we will team up to build what Papa left behind.
Firstly, you can never be me. Secondly, me. Build with you. You, lunatic. As long as you don't want to share whatever it is we are aiming, 50-50. I can never sit and discuss with you. Anytime you're ready to do the sharing 50-50, then call me, I will listen to you.
Where are you going? We are not done talking. Elizabeth, come back here. Elizabeth! Hey! Maybe I can't see motor with them, mother.
Eliza! Why did you lock up the company and chase all the workers away?
Calm down, no police. Take it easy, my dear. Life
Elisa,
be the way
I'm giving you 1 hour to go and unlock that company. Else
what? What can you do? Every time else what?
You are asking me what can I do?
Yes, what can you do?
Oh, you want to see grace, man?
Yes.
You want to see grace?
You want everything to be shared.
You want to see
50-50.
See, don't try anything successful. Don't try anything.
What is it, Kadiri? You decided to talk yourself. I'll give you a
You want to kill her like you killed Dad? You are insane.
You are
stupid.
You are
fool.
I'll deal with you.
You want to kill her? You want to kill her?
Talk to me.
Talk to me too.
Talk to me.
Talk
to me now.
What is the problem? Why have you two decided to turn this house into a fighting ground?
Mom, can you imagine this little...
Bring it down. Bring it down.
Mom, this girl locked the company and chased all the workers.
What? Elizabeth, why will you do that?
Why would I do it? No, tell me, why would I do it? I've taken enough from all of you in this house. I've taken enough insults. This time around, I'm not going to take it again. I will react. Anything that comes to my mind like this, I will do it. Anything that will happen, let it happen. At first, I said, allow me, I want to open up a business of my own. Let me start making my own money for myself. What did you all say? No. You all said no to it. Now, allow me, let me travel abroad. Let me go and make my own money too. You have refused again. What is wrong with you? Are you the only Ada in the house?
Come and go, let me see.
You have seen it all.
Come and go, let me see.
Are you the only CEO?
You are insane.
You are insane.
You are not going
Let me
anywhere.
tell you, my sister. When I go there and come back, you will hear my name.
You are
I know why you
insane.
refuse. I know why you refuse. Because you know that if I go there, it's not this chickeny change you are getting here. If I go there, by the time I will return, you will not be hearing dollar. Lizzie dollar in my name. Lizzie dollar. Lizzie pounds a dollar. By then, your mind will tell you.
Come and travel now, let me see.
Me?
Come on, travel.
I don't travel finish, come back. I swear, you know if you stop me.
Bet me, I'm not going anywhere.
I'll bet it 100 times. My sister, go and sit down. You can't do anything. Go and sit down.
You just bet me.
Yes.
Hey.
Yes, I'll bet it again.
It's okay.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? You want to bet it again? What do you want to do?
Listen to your mother. Come.
I will bet again.
Come.
Check where you're there.
You do tell why you're there. Nonsense. Try nonsense. Try nonsense. Try. Hey. Lunatic. No. Try any nonsense now. Let me show you my own.
Lizzie, why? Everyday trouble. She not the tired. Lizzie, everyday.
Alvina, Mom. I want to beg you for something. You know I'm your mother, and I will not advise you wrongly. You both are my children, and I want the best for the both of you. Since she has decided to travel, let's just allow her do her wish. If she continues to stay with us, the fighting and quarreling will not end. Let's just allow her go, so her peace will reign in this house. Whatever amount she wants, just give it to her. Don't worry, she's mature enough to take care of herself. And we'll keep praying for her to come back safely. Biko Nwam. Oh? Let's go.
She not the tired. Every day why? She not the tired. Lizzie, why? Every day trouble. She not the tired. Lizzie, every day wahala. Child, she not the tired. You be wahala, where there for this house. Wahala. You be trouble, where
Elizabeth. You are free to travel.
They make funds available now.
Then you have to make the papers and the documents ready.
I already have my international passport. And I'm processing my visa.
You're already processing your visa. So, which country do you want to travel to?
US. I need to go and make my money. I own money.
So how much?
Well, I've spent a lot lately based on the visa processing of a thing and other things. So I'll have to go and calculate both my expenses and the ones I will need in the future. And I'll get back to you.
Okay. When you're done with your calculation, you let me know.
Now you talk this thing. Now you're talking like somebody's big sister. At least now I can comfortably call you my big sister. If they do like this, we will call the fight every time. They act like this. They act like big sister where you be. When they let devil, they use you. Wow. When I calculate things, I will get back to you. My big sister. Amazing. Chop knuckle. Chop. Go and sit down, my friend.
Why this fighting? Why
It's okay. Leave her. Let her just go.
Why this
No problem, Mom. If traveling will make her change, we are okay.
Let her just go. So I will have peace. I don't even know who she resembles. This girl is too troublesome. Hey!
our parents are not happy?
Lizzie, I am going to miss you.
I'll miss you too. I'll miss every one of you.
See,
I
please
love you.
try to take good care of yourself.
I will. Take care of yourself too.
Sure, I will.
Me too.
I'm gonna miss your troubles.
Me too, but there's no more troubles.
When you get to US, get a number and use it and call me, okay?
I will. And when I get there and establish, I'm going to send you an invitation. You'll come over.
Wow, thank you so much. I'll be waiting, please.
I will.
I can't wait to see you again.
I'll miss you. Oh,
I'm gonna miss you.
Bye,
Madam, I beg, no cook on the go, make you no miss your flight. Eh?
Alright.
Love you.
Love you too.
I can never please you, displease our parents. It's not possible, my dear. Let us live in peace. People are watching us. Oh yes. Our parents are not happy about this. It's better we live in peace as one family. People are watching us. This fight can only bring shame. Our parents are not happy. Our parents are not happy. It's better we live in peace. Let us live as one family. Let us live. People are watching us. Our parents are not happy about this. It's better we live in peace as one family.